Hello again, it's Noob, and I have a lovely Yale in front of me. This is a series Y210C 51, a closed shackle or shrouded shackle. I'm assuming it's a hardened steel-bodied padlock. This looks like it's got an LFIC interchangeable core, and it was lent to me by my friend Yukov, who's been very generous in lending this to me, and you can see it's got a boron alloy shackle there. I mean, it's a really nice lock. It just feels nice as well. It's quite a nice lozenged shape to it, so I'm quite fond of this. The bitting on this is awful, by the way. I think it's 5 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it is just really up and down, and the keyway is pretty tight, I have to say. So might use a couple of different picks to pick this with. Let's have a go. What do I need? Well, tensioning's kind of difficult, but I'm going to try using a tension at the top of the keyway. Picks wise, going to go between a Sparrow's short hook and a thinner, for the ones at the back, a thinner deep hook in 20 thousandths. That's also Sparrows. Okay, so let's have a go at this. Right, if I swap over to a slightly thicker pry bar. There you go. That should give me a little bit of purchase. So going to the front and pin 1, pin 2. I think I'm on pin 2. So I'll go. So wiggle around that warding. Okay, pin 2 set into a full set. Pin 1 now, counter rotation, gentle, and set. See what else we've got down here. Pin 3, I think we're on. Okay, pin 4. Need to swap over picks now, I think. Still on a nice full set, so let's get onto the pins at the back and see. Okay, I think pin 6 give me some counter rotation. So I'm twisting the 20,000 deep hook round. Get onto another pin. I think it might have overset something, so just there we go. Bring that back down. Pin 3. Pin 2, pin 1. Just check these pins again. Pin 2 and 1. Okay, so we're in that nice full set there. You can probably see it's a nice full set. And just try a very delicate lock this. So what I don't want to do is lose that full set. So where are we still? Are we still on pin 6? Yeah, it looks like pin 6 here has got some counter rotation left in it. Pin might overset a pin, just let it drop back down. There we go. I don't think pin 3 wants to move too far. Pin 2 is fine. Pin 1 is fine. Okay. So are we still on pin 6? Are we just struggling to find get it to shear? Might be. Let's go back down and stack with my 25 thousandths pick. Let's check 1 and 2 are okay still. Pin 2's fine, pin 1's fine. Bit of counter rotation on this pin here. There we go. Back into a false set. Going my 20 thousandths again. Let's try these pins in turn, see who wants to give me some counter rotation or not. Give everything a bit of a rake. Everything seems kind of set, which is weird. Pin 4. Three, 2, 1. And we're open. There we go. That's pin 4 just holding us back. Like I said, a really wonderful lock to pick. It's a real picker's lock, this one, I have to say, if there is such a thing. And what I like about this is it makes you really think about what you're doing and take your time. This is almost a zero if pin 4 and then 5 is such a high pin. So is 2. They're almost at the top. 2's not so bad because you can get past it. But yeah, this pin 5 is every time you touch that, if you haven't got the right depth of pick and you nudge pin 4 up, then you end up kind of dropping some of those pins again. So really lovely pick, this lock. Yukov, thank you once again for such a lovely lock to pick. I've really enjoyed this one. Yeah, it's one of my favourite ones you've lent me, I think. Actually, it's a lovely old lock. All right. See you next time, guys.